Okay, I was just about to turn the camera on and I realized I was pulling up the videos that we're gonna watch together today, and I saw that one of them has 225 million views. We'll get to that in a second. Hello, thank you for watching this video and for being here with me for more Jeff Satur time. Am I saying his name right? Please someone tell me. Satur. But then a Satur is like Saturday. So I'm not sure. I'm just gonna call him Jeff. I hope he doesn't mind, first name basis. Yes, so today we're gonna be watching Fade, Rain Wedding, the OST and a live version, and Dum Dum Unchained live version. I'm excited. Rain Wedding, I know has a lot of attention. I'm trying to think of the right way to put it. I know that a lot of people love it. So I put that one in the middle in case it was sad, because I feel like this title might be sad, Rain Wedding. So yes, we're gonna do Fade first, and we're gonna watch them with captions. I need to turn on captions. But the real question for today, is Jeff gonna have any of his songs end happily? Like, they're all about betrayal and they're all about doppelgangers and clones, and I'm here for it. I love it 100%. Is he gonna be happy ever? Is he happy? I hope he's happy. I hope he's really happy. Okay, up first we have Fade. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Play. Oh, another sad one, I think. Hot Detective. Oh, she's beautiful. Not as beautiful as Jeff, though. No, not in front of Jeff. Oh. He's so beautiful. Very sexy. really sad because she died, not because she left him. He is so beautiful. Like the Matrix. Lady Goodman did another of his videos too. I've got goosebumps all over. So did she die? I love that his music videos are open-ended. I think that's fantastic. I love that part of them. My face is so red right now. Okay, sorry. Hi, this is Editor Kiwi, or Kiwi from the future, popping in really quick to say a couple of things that I didn't say originally because I was very overwhelmed with emotion watching this for the first time. So I missed quite a few things. So I wanted to pop in really quick as I was editing this and tell you what was on my mind when I was originally filming this, or what was on my mind later as I was editing it. So for Fade, I totally missed the theme of the song. I'm not gonna lie. The theme as I understood it later was Jeff saying, "I'll find you across time." That their love will exist across time and space. That no matter what's happening, they'll find each other. That's the theme that I think he was trying to say, that most people think he was trying to say. I did not get that upon first viewing. I watched a lot of reactions to the music video after this, and that's what a lot of people said, and I was just like, that makes a lot of sense. So I went back and rewatched it for myself and was like, with the outfit change and the set decoration and just all the little clues, it absolutely makes sense. So yes, I get that now. I get that I get that was the message for Fade, and I also like that the title Fade is very close to the word fate. So I like that sort of parallel as well. So I love that about Fade. Love the song. Love that it's actually a really positive message, because a lot of his songs are sad. I guess is the best word to put it. A lot of them are sad, or sort of, I can't think of the right words, not happy endings. So yeah, I'll take this as a happy ending. So Fade, excellent, beautiful. Next up, what we're going to be watching after I finish talking is Rain Wedding. Let me prepare you for Rain Wedding. I tend to get very overwhelmed upon first viewing something. I get very emotionally involved, and so I tend to be quite oblivious to other things sometimes. So I watched this and I thought it was beautiful, but I didn't really look further into what is the meaning of a rain wedding. Like, I didn't really look further into that meaning, which I should have. So again, what I did was I watched Rain Wedding twice with you and loved it. Broke my heart, but absolutely loved it. I think I got most of the message, that it was about lost love and trying to find yourself, but I didn't get the storyline. I just got that it was about a lost love and trying to put yourself back together afterwards. So what I did was, after I watched this with you twice, because I watched the live version with you after the OST music video, I watched it with you twice, and then I watched some reaction videos that other people had done to it, like Roscoe, and read some of the comments in their videos. And one of the comments was explaining what a rain wedding is. I almost cussed. It effing broke my heart. Because it was talking about how this was set in a time when homosexual weddings were not as accepted in Thailand. So they weren't celebrated. And so what happens in a wedding in Thailand is people take conch shells, I think it is, and they put water in them, and they throw water on the married couple for blessings, for like good wishes. But because it was a homosexual couple in the story, they didn't get that. And so this song is saying that because we don't get that, we're gonna have rain be our blessing. And that, oh my gosh, it makes me so emotional. And that God is going to send rain from the heavens, and that's going to be the blessing on our wedding day. And it just breaks me to pieces. Like, oh my gosh, I can't. Rain Wedding is one of those that absolutely love. One of my favorite songs in the whole entire world. Can I watch the music video or listen to it very often? No, I cannot, because it just wrecks me. As soon as I read what it was actually about in the story and the meaning of Rain Wedding, broke me. Absolutely broke me. So when I watch it with you, and I'm about to watch it with you as soon as I stop talking, I'm going to watch it with you twice, the OST MV and then a live performance. I was just sort of like, this is beautiful, and it's about lost love, and it's about trying to find yourself after a heartbreak. All of that is true about it. But then when I delved deeper into what a rain wedding is, that really broke me. So I just wanted to put this in front of Rain Wedding because I apologize for not going deeper into the meaning when I first watch it. I just sort of take my first watch as a very visceral experience, and I want it to be about my emotions. So I don't always look up everything about the song because I want it to be about how I feel more than anything. So that's why I don't talk further about the meaning of Rain Wedding. But if you're watching this, and this might be your first time watching Rain Wedding, that's what it means. So you can go into the song knowing what a rain wedding is. Absolutely gorgeous concept. I love Jeff for writing it and for thinking about it. I'm going to stop talking now because I've been talking to you for over 5 minutes. I just wanted to pop in for a moment and explain to you that I did figure out what Fade was about. So thank you, Internet. And then I did figure out what Rain Wedding was about. Again, thank you, Internet. So yes, here I am. Understanding these music videos better. So thank you all very much. Yes, but like I said, when I watch a video for the first time, it's just very like emotional for me. That's what I'm focusing on. Like, how does it make me feel more than anything else? So yes, I will leave you there. But next up is Rain Wedding. So prepare yourselves. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And I hope if you're not having a great day that it gets better. And I hope watching this with me is sort of like a little patch of happiness and a little respite for your day where you get to rest for a little bit. So I will see you very soon and more of me right now. So see you later. This is from an OST, I think. Yes. Okay. Rain Wedding in 3, 2, 1, play. Is it like the story of the show that they're going to show us? Or, oh, is he in the show? Steven Ozry? Because I like that.
ท่ามกลางหมู่ดอกไม้มากมายทันได้ฝนกลับรังแกเหยียบดวงใจฝนร่องรอยดังรักโนแลไม่มีรักจริงจากใจจากผู้ใดแต่เมื่อฉันได้พบเธอลมฝนที่ได้เจอมันก็เปลี่ยนไปจากเคยลมพัดแรงเท่าไรปีกและบานเท่าใดแต่เมื่อฉันมีเธออยู่ยามเมื่อฝนเทลงมาดาวว่าฟ้านั้นด้วยปอนให้ความรักเราทั้งสองครั้งเข้าไปนิรันดรหากเจ้าหลายหากเจ้าหลายจงยื่นมือให้ฟ้าทันทานฝนที่เทลงบนเมื่อเราดังงานวิวาห์หากวันใดเจอพายุคงไม่กลัวสักเท่าไรต่อให้ฝนสาดดวงใจรักจากเธอนั้นปลอบฉันหากเจ้าหลายหากเจ้าหลายจงเต้นรำยามฟ้ากระหน่ำขอแค่มีเธอทุกวันก็เป็นเหมือนวิวาห์
Every day feels like a wedding day. Oh my gosh.
รักที่เคยได้พบและผ่านในวันนี้เป็นดังเงาเฝ้ารังควานขังฉันอยู่ในกรงน้ำตาที่เธอพาใจฉันออกมาแต่เมื่อฉันได้พบเธอลมฝนที่ได้เจอมันก็เปลี่ยนไปจากเคยลมพัดแรงเท่าไรปีกและบานเท่าใดแต่เมื่อฉันมีเธออยู่ยามเมื่อฝนเทลงมาดาวว่าฟ้านั้นด้วยปอนให้ความรักเราทั้งสองครั้งเข้าไปนิรันดรหากเจ้าหลายหากเจ้าหลายจงยื่นมือให้ฟ้าทันทานฝนที่เทลงบนเมื่อเราดังงานวิวาห์หากวันใดเจอพายุคงไม่กลัวสักเท่าไรต่อให้ฝนสาดดวงใจรักจากเธอนั้นปลอบฉันหากเจ้าหลายหากเจ้าหลายจงเต้นรำยามฟ้ากระหน่ำขอแค่มีเธอทุกวันก็เป็นเหมือนวิวาห์
It's such a beautiful, happy song, but it's so bittersweet because of the video. I can understand why it's so popular. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have goosebumps again and like the chills. We're gonna watch a live version of this, and I'm very nervous because I could barely sit like without like shaking or feeling a certain way about that song last time. So let's hear it live and play.
เพลงนี้ทุกคนร้องกันได้
I love his outfit. Love everything about him. Is that overalls? My man.
ช่วยกันร้องนะครับผมร้องไม่ร้องไห้นะฮะร้องเพลงนะครับ
My face is still very pink. Jeff does it to me.
ท่ามกลางหมู่ดอกไม้มากมายทันได้ฝนพับรังแกเหยียบดวงใจฝนร่องรอยดังรักลงเลย มีรักจริงจากใจจากผู้ใดแต่เมื่อฉันได้พบเธอลมฝันที่ได้เจอมันก็เปลี่ยนไปจากเคยลมพัดแรงเท่าไรปีกและปอนเท่าใดแต่เมื่อฉันมีเธออยู่อย่ามาฟ้อนเธอลงมาดูว่าฟ้านั้นอวยพรให้ความรักเราทั้งสองครองกูไปในรันดอนหากเท่าไรจงยื่นมือให้ฟ้าได้เธอฝันที่เธอลงบนมือเราดังงานวิวหากคนใดเจอพายุคงไม่กลัวสักเท่าไรต่อให้ฝนสาดดวงใจรักเธอนั้นปลอบฉันหากเท่าไรจงเต้นรำยอมฟ้ากระหน่ำก็แค่มีเธอทุกวันก็เป็นมือวิวา
Oh, Jeff.
รักที่เคยได้พบและผ่านในวันนี้เป็นดังเงาเฝ้ารังควานขังฉันอยู่ในกรงน้ำตาให้เธอพาใจฉันออกมาแต่เมื่อฉันได้พบเธอมันก็เปลี่ยนไปจากไปลมพัดแรงเท่าไรแต่เมื่อฉันมีเธออยู่อย่ามาฟ้อนเธอลงมาดูว่าฟ้านั้นอวย
Love how it's like
ให้ความรักเราทั้งสอง
fast and soft and fast and soft.
หากเท่าไรจงยื่นมือให้ฟ้านั้นเธอฝนที่เธอลงบนมือเบาดังงานวิวเจอพายุคงไม่กลัวสักเท่าไรต่อให้ฝนสาดดวงใจรักเธอ
And what's really beautiful about the song is that, like, what I think is beautiful about the song is that the times when you expect him to go hard and to kind of hit the note really hard, he softens. Like the note is very, I don't know anything about music, so I'm probably not explaining it correctly, but like his voice is very soft. And so he's like powerful, soft. And then it's just like, it adds a lot of meaning to the lyrics. I've had chills since we started the song, the previous song. And my body just like doesn't know what to do with itself at the moment. So
จงเต้นรำยังฟ้ากระหน่ำก็แค่มีเธอทุกวันก็เป็นเหมือนวิวาเหมือนวายโอ้
what a beautiful song. What a beautiful human. Okay, I specifically put Rain Wedding in the middle so that we would have something hopefully less sad to watch at the end. Okay, so this is Dum Dum Unchained live version official music video. I turned this on, or I think I turned on somebody reacting to this, so I saw like the first 5 seconds of it, and then I was like, no, if anything's worth doing, it's worth doing together, so we're gonna watch this together, and I hope it's hot. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I love Dum Dum. I think it's a great song. Ooh. Does he have lace eye covers? Like, Ghost? Lost and Found? Ghost.
Laying down on the floor from the wounds that you tore, they can save me no more. No one ever leave the door. Draw me in with your lies. Shut me up, no I can fight. Our love can never die. It does never leave. I should cry, but the tears is dry. Used to be blind, but I see the light. I start to smile, I don't know.
How is he so hot doing this, like being chained up? But he's still like portraying so much. Oh, that makes me think of Doja Top. Love that little crawl. Oh my gosh. Did he put it on one shoulder?
Place I'm not advising, it's just fear inviting. Now it's time for giving. Feel so with my own sin.
Oh, love the whisper.
Try to fit more than the cup. Baby, please just wake up. The cup is your sky. I used to cry, but the tears is right. You used to be blind, but I see the light. I start to smile, and I don't know why.
I like how he's changing it musically.
I live to just enjoy the bleed.
Ooh. His smile is outrageously attractive.
I need you around. Try every way to bring me down. Look, I'm a little baby girl, like you right now. You think I need you around. Try every way to bring me down. Look, I'm a little baby girl, where you right now.
That was amazing. Oh, he's chained up again. Okay, so today we watched Fade, Rain Wedding Twice, and Dum Dum Unchained live version, something like that. You know, you were there. It was lots of fun. Jeff continues to just absolutely annihilate me. He is my new favorite, and that gives him a lot of weight, but I mean it. I absolutely mean it. Whenever I'm doing anything around the house or walking my dog, my first thought is, what am I gonna listen to music wise? And Jeff is always front and center. Like, Ride or Die, I've listened to that song so many times and I love it so much. And Lost and Found, and like, Lost and Found still makes me emotional, but I digress. Anyway, we're not here to talk about Lost and Found. We're here to talk about these songs, and they were incredible. That I loved getting to see. I love jumbling my words. I also loved getting to see him play guitar in the last one. Rain Wedding, I loved seeing him perform it live. And I loved that for the first Rain Wedding song that we watched, it was kind of like a compact version of the story for the TV show. I assume it's like a short telling of it. So I liked that. I thought that was a very interesting take on the OST. Fade again. Unhappy Jeff, which is a real bummer, but he was happy for a moment and that made me happy. So Jeff continues to wow me. Like, he can do no wrong in my book. He is a genius. So I love him. More Jeff very, very soon. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far, and if not, I hope it gets better. And until next time, I'm going to be here thinking about Jeff. If I'm being honest, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll see you later.